So this page is following the notes that you already had open. And we're going to scroll down to the second page at the top. And we have this problem in standard form. So I'm going to do this problem by solving for y. So I have 6x plus 9y equals negative 27. If I want to solve for y, I'm going to circle the 9y. The 6x needs to move away from the 9y by subtracting it. 9y equals negative 6x minus 27. Remember, I'm solving for y, so circle the y, and I have to divide everything by 9. You're going to use your calculator and type negative 6 divided by 9, and it'll simplify it for you. Y equals negative 2 over 3x, and then you're going to type negative 27 divided by 9, and get negative 3. This is my slope. So right here where it says slope, my slope is negative 2 over 3. This is my rise over my run. And then right here, this negative 3 is my y-intercept, which you also can write as 0, negative 3. We also could have found that by letting x equal 0. And so if I did that in my equation said 6x plus 9y equals negative 27. And then remember, let x equal 0. So 6 times 0 plus 9 times y equals negative 27. 6 times 0 is nothing. 9y equals negative 27. Divide by 9, divide by 9. Your y-intercept would have been negative 3. So either way works. Because I'm in slope-intercept form, I can graph it. So here's my y-axis, and my y-intercept is negative 3, so right there. And then I'm going to use my slope, my rise over my run. So my rise says to go down 2, and my run says go over 3. So there's my next dot. From there, you can draw your line. I'm going to do the slope again just because I want one more dot. Down 2 and over 3. The dot really is personally just for me so that I can draw a little bit better. I missed. There's your line. If I want to find the 0, which is the same thing as the x-intercept, make sure you know those. 0 is the x-intercept. Remember, we let y equal 0 to find x-intercept. So if I want to do that, my equation was 6x plus 9y equals negative 27. I'm going to let my y become 0. So I have 6x plus 9 times 0 equals negative 27. This is nothing. So 6x equals negative 27. Divide by 6. Oopsies. Divide by 6. And if you type that in your calculator, it should come out to x equals negative 4.5. And then this last part says, will 1, negative 4 lie on the line? This 1 is an x value, and this negative 4 is a y value. So if I write my equation down, 6x plus 9y equals negative 27. I can plug the x value in and the y value in. So 6 times 1 plus 9 times negative 4 equals negative 27. And you're going to take the part I'm highlighting in yellow and just type this in your calculator. It will spit out the answer for you. And when it spits it out, you should get negative negative 30 equals negative 27. That's not true. So no, the point is not on the line.